In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to wipe the data on a BlackBerry Q10 smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go to Settings. Now go to Security and Privacy. Go to Security Wipe. Scroll down. Now tap here. Now type BlackBerry. Now go to Delete Data. Now keep in mind this can take a while. It's going to go from this screen to a shredding icon screen. And this can take quite a few minutes, maybe an hour or maybe more. So you just have to let it take its course and let it delete the data. And then it's going to go to the next screen and it's going to reboot and the data wipe will be complete. There you go. The data wipe is complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for the channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video and thank you for tuning in.